Hey guys, you may be wondering why stocks fell out of nowhere towards the end of the day. There's a couple reasons. One is the escalation of war around Israel with the Iran consulate getting attacked. There could be a response from Iran, which can escalate this war, okay? So that's one reason why stocks sold off, okay? And also, if we are getting involved with this war, that usually means higher inflation because we have to ask money from Congress, right, to support the war, okay? If we are helping out with packages or aid package, whatever it is, right, we're gonna need more money, which means higher inflation in most cases. And remember, we're already supporting Ukraine, right? So that's another war. So this money we're providing to other countries, obviously, there's worries of inflation spiking up because of that, okay? And then also oil prices are higher, right? War doesn't help with oil prices usually, so that's been going up. So that's another reason for concern, okay, in the short run. And then also we have the jobs report tomorrow morning. So some investors are just getting out of the way. I should say short-term traders are getting out of the way, right? There's a lot of those obviously in the market. And if that's you, that's totally fine, guys. There's nothing wrong with sitting out the stock market. You don't have to play it every day, okay? And especially with the weekend, right? The jobs data, some people are like, I don't want to deal with it, and they'll worry about it next week. But if you're a long-term investor, like I said, these are the dips, right? These are the uncertainties, the worries, the fears that you have to overcome. So many of these along the way if you want to get to financial freedom, right? And see big gains. Like I said, eventually the interest rate cut will come. But like I said, you got to be patient, guys. This is not going to happen anytime soon still, right? There could maybe not even be an interest rate cut this year. So you need to ask yourself, can you hold through the whole year and into early next year, guys, okay? And if you can't hold that money for that long, then you need to ask yourself, should I get out now, right? But if you don't need to touch that money for a year, then you leave it in those small cap AI stocks like we've been talking about. You have small positions, like I said, you don't need to bet the farm, and you can slowly add, right, on those dips if you want along the way. That's what I'm doing, guys. Of course, you don't have to follow it. But I see the big picture. I know an interest rate cut will come at some point down the road, okay? And so just stick to the plan and don't let fear get you, guys.